Have you ever dreamt of riding your bike way past the speed limit of 90 kilometers per hour? Speeding without the worry of getting caught by TP or getting featured by SG Vigilante? We know just the right place to do that. Legally.
Sepang International Circuit, the place where many big-name racers have competed. It's been a while since I've hit the track, but today isn't just about shaking off the rust. For those of you who haven't experienced this, track riding isn't only for sports bikes. This event is special because Motul is offering track riders a chance to test out the all-new 300V engine oil. Riders from all over come together to prepare their bikes with this advanced oil, ensuring everything is in top condition for the track day ahead. With the right gear, safety instructions, you can fulfill your hunger for speed.
If you guys want to try track days like this, right? By the way, shout out to SBR Track Days for organizing these kind of events. So much fun. Dealers like Yew Heng Motorsports actually bring down like some of their fastest and newest bikes for participants to sign up and then actually try all these bikes on the track. So it's pretty interesting. You can see at the back here of the CF Moto, the KTMs, all the newest bikes. Like, where else can you try these bikes, right? Without getting caught in Singapore, huh? Where?
There are also 2 sessions per day, AM and PM. Each rider is categorized into groups according to their experience level, ensuring everyone can ride safely and at their own pace.
So before every track day, you have an indemnity form to sign. As Mark says, anything happen, not your fault. Sign.
Safety is very important on the track. Before each session, a comprehensive safety briefing is conducted. This briefing covers essential tips and guidelines to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for all riders. Make sure to pay close attention to these instructions, okay? They are designed to help you navigate the track confidently and avoid any mishaps. Remember, a safe rider is a fast rider. After the safety briefing, we got an in-depth introduction to Motul's new 300V engine oil. The representative shared some impressive statistics, highlighting the enhanced performance and protection this oil offers. The 300V features Motul's latest ester core technology, which promises better power and performance without compromising engine durability. Motul even has a booth providing free oil changes for participants to test the new 300V. Engine oil plays a critical role in protecting the engine from wear and tear, reducing friction between moving parts, and ensuring a smoother running engine. With the new 300V, participants can experience firsthand the enhanced performance and protection it offers. This opportunity allows riders to truly feel the difference high-quality engine oils can make, from improved power delivery to better engine reliability.
Motul is something that I feel that I'm not trying because it's something that is very dependable. Something that I know that if it's a Motul, okay, it's safe.
You've also tried the new 300V on your bike, on your own bike. Yep. Have you noticed any difference, or what do you like about the engine oil?
Using the 300V is actually very smooth. So the gear shifts, we can feel that changing gears, there's no hesitation, and you can definitely feel that everything just works very smoothly.
Very smooth, very
silky.
Very silky, yeah.
So the engine temperature usually runs up very high, and we are keeping the RPMs also very high. So having adequate protection on your bike is actually very important for the engine health.
I noticed the engine is much smoother.
So this time around, I tried the first session, no issue with the quick shifter. It's a lot smoother, I feel.
Yeah.
The thing that caught my attention, right, is the ester core technology that they boast about. The thing that I really feel is like important, right, when picking an engine oil, right, is that, smooth magnetic feel. I call it a magnetic feel when you kick and change your gear. Sound of a track day, man. All the bike just like damn loud and all.
How they tell whether you are from which group, right, is by the color of the strap. What's going to happen here now is that we are following the marshal. The marshal is the one in green in front. We should be going 2 laps at a slower pace first, just to get to learn the track.
The main reason why I come here is to remind ourselves how dangerous motorcycling can be. And this is a very safe environment to do it because there's no lamppost, there's no curb, there's no oncoming traffic.
You've got some good instructors here, people who've been doing this for a very, very long time, and so you're in the best possible hands, and it's the best way of learning how to ride a motorbike properly, especially on a track.
I've always loved riding on a track. I can tell you it's completely different. Like in a way, right? You are it's almost as if like you're going to fight war like that.
Track riding actually teaches you a lot about safety as well. It's basically we can push our bikes as hard as we want in a safe environment.
Back then when I was riding a sports bike, right, like this is the only thing to look forward to. But it's the only place you can really fully utilize the sports bike. So we are following the marshal. We're gonna go 2 laps around at a pretty chill pace. And the reason for that, right, that is very, 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 very important. And that is to actually remember the tracks. Like, okay, which turn am I on now? Oh my god, I can't remember what turn I'm on. You really have to understand which turn is coming so that you can take the proper line. This round, right, where we are following the marshal, right, we are actually trying to get used to the proper race line. And then they said, like, when you want to exit the track, right, you have to go keep right, then you have to raise your hand, let people know, because like you can see just now, right, the bikes are going extremely fast. You have to follow all the proper safety procedures, because if you don't, right, things can get really, really ugly. Today we are putting the new Motul 300V engine oil to the ultimate test in the KTM 1390. The first thing I noticed was how incredibly smooth the engine felt, even at high speeds. The oil's advanced ester core technology really shines, providing immediate power delivery and maintaining engine reliability under intense conditions. The long straights and sweeping curves of Sepang let us push the bike to its limits, and the 300V kept the engine running cool and consistent throughout. This oil isn't just about performance. It enhances the entire riding experience, making every twist of the throttle an absolute thrill.
Shifting was seamless, and I actually felt that there's actually a lot more power than whatever I was using previously.
Switching to the CF Moto 800NK, I experienced a different kind of thrill. The 300V continued to impress, providing a smooth and balanced ride. Track riding not only gives you the adrenaline rush, but also helps improve your technical skills with different bikes and conditions. It's about learning braking points, acceleration, and handling at high speeds. The consistency and reliability of the 300V across different bikes were remarkable. What we learn on the track will definitely help us in our daily rides, making us better and more confident at handling our bikes.
Not only we come for the ride, but also to meet new friends, and we get to discuss about new techniques and new toys.
Honestly, it's been extremely fun to spend the weekend like this in KL at the tracks. We also got to try a bit of a glimpse of the Motul 300V, the new version of it. Really interested to see how that one will perform on my Africa Twin. So tomorrow I'm gonna come back here, I'm gonna bring my Africa Twin and then go and put the engine oil inside. A lot of people say it's very nice. It's a very nice feel, very smooth engine, very smooth and all that. If any one of you are interested to come for a track day, do look out for Yew Heng Motorsports posts on Facebook. They would usually organize this kind of events and then invite participants to come and join. One last thing, do remember to check out 333.com. Go and check out our merch and all that. We are trying to clear all the remaining stocks before the new designs come in. After this batch of stocks are cleared, it won't come again already. So remember to go and check them out. Thank you guys for watching. Where's Winston? Winston gone already. Anyway, we'll see you on the road. Bye bye.